Hello, so in this video we're going to be looking at the natural logarithm. Now the natural logarithm of a number is given when you take a log in base e. So see here we've got the little e here, and we can write log in base e as ln, this thing here, ln. So ln x is the same as log in base e of x. The graph of ln x is given here, this highlighted bit there, and it's interesting to see that in fact the graph of y equals ln x is the reflection of the graph of y equals e to the power of x in the line y equals x. And when you have that, that means one thing is the inverse of the other thing. It's interesting to note that ln x is undefined for x smaller than 0. So there's no value for this curve in this region over here. And actually that means we cannot find the log of a negative number. So it's important to know that. Okay, so we've said that the inverse of y equals e to the x is y equals ln x. And we can just show this by rearranging our equation, making it the subject of the equation, and then finally swapping x for y, as we did before when we did our inverse function work. So if y equals e to the x, we can put that in log form, and we say that x is the power, and the answer to a log is a power. In base e, because we're in log in base e, and the number we're looking at is this number here. So we can rewrite it like that. We can then use the ln notation, so we say x equals ln y, and then finally we just swap the x for y to get the inverse function, so we get y equals ln x. Now we can do this, we can find the inverse of e to the x as e to the x is a one-to-one function. That means there's only, remember the curve for that, it sort of looks something like this. There's only one answer at any one point. That's not beautifully drawn, but it only goes through that one point for each y. Okay, I hope that's helpful.